New guidance released today for face coverings in Massachusetts. No mask mandates, but strong recommendations for students in kindergarten through 6th grade in the fall. And certain people who are fully vaccinated being encouraged to wear their masks indoors. Western Mass News reporter Briseida Landaverde breaking everything down for us and joins us live in Springfield. Briseida.
Well, Chris, Governor Charlie Baker announcing this afternoon the state is moving forward safely in this new normal. And as for parents who are sending their kids back to school in the fall, the mask guidance has been updated.
My daughter has off and on during the summer, even though she's vaccinated.
Parents across Western Mass in support of the new guidance released by the Department of Elementary and Secondary Education for the beginning of the 2021 school year.
In-person learning is the only available option for Massachusetts schools and their students.
Governor Charlie Baker making it clear on Friday, remote and hybrid learning will not return in the fall. But DESE and the Massachusetts Department of Public Health did revise earlier advice, and they now strongly recommend all students in kindergarten through 6th grade wear masks indoors, except students with medical or behavioral needs. The department also recommended unvaccinated staff in all grades and unvaccinated students in grades 7 and above to wear face coverings indoors. As for students who are vaccinated, they can remain unmasked, but the final call is up to individual communities.
But one thing's clear. All schools in all districts must be open every day to every student, no matter what.
Governor Charlie Baker firm on his decision to bring students back into the classroom. Dr. Robert Roos, the chief medical officer at Mercy Medical Center, tells Western Mass News a year of remote learning has shown how important it is for students to be in person.
Remote and virtual learning may not be optimal. It can have its own other secondary effects. And so there really is value to ensuring that we can have people interact and be in person and get the robust learning and rich environment that can occur when there's people interacting in that way, but at the same time, wanting to do it safely.
Meantime, the Department of Public Health also releasing new guidance. Fully vaccinated residents with weakened immune systems or at increased risk for severe disease due to age or medical conditions should wear face coverings indoors when social distancing is not possible.
We know that wearing masks is still very effective. Particularly when you're indoors, it can be very critical to ensure that you do protect yourself.
This comes as leaked data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Center suggests the Delta variant is as contagious as the chickenpox. Dr. Roos says this new information suggests the new strain can infect more than a dozen people during exposure.
It varied initially. We thought it was probably a little more than 2. Then that became about perhaps 5. When you think about something like chickenpox, that number could be 10 or 12.
And coming up at 6, we're getting answers from one local school district on how they plan to implement all these new changes. For now, reporting live in Springfield, Briseida Landaverde for Western Mass News.